Hi friends, today we are looking at the last digit of a huge number like 19 power 19 power 19 power 19. This problem can be solved in just a few seconds, but you need to know a few basic concepts in number theory. So first I will step you through the basic points you need to know before solving this problem. Take the number 19 power n. For this number, the base figure is 19. And the last digit of 19 power n is decided by the last digit of the base figure. See, base figure, as I said, is 19. So the last digit of the base figure is also 9. What does that mean? The number 1 to the left of 9 has no say in deciding the last digit of this number. In fact, if the base figure has more than 2 digits, before 9 there will be many other digits. You may just ignore these digits while finding the last digit of a number which is ending in 9 and then raised to 9. Anyway, in this problem, we need to know only 19 power n. The point I'm trying to convey is this: last digit of 19 power n is the same as last digit of 9 power n. See, here in this, I'm writing only one digit. Supposing you had one more digit or a few more digits to the left of n, all those digits may be ignored. You just find out the last digit of 9 power n. That will be the last digit of the number with many digits to the left of 9 in the base figure. That's all. This is the first point to be noted. Now, secondly, we will look at a few powers of n. For example, if you take 9 power 1, what will be the last digit? 9. For 9 power 2, what will be the last digit? As you know, this is 81. So the last digit is 1. We continue this. 9 power 3. We know that 9 power 3 is 729. So 9 is the last digit. And what about 9 power 4? We know that 9 power 4 is 6561. Rather, the last digit is 1. So you don't need to find out 9 power 4 what exactly this is to get the last digit. All you need to do is see 9 power 3 we know has 9 as the last digit. That 9 into 9 is 81. And so the last digit is 1. That is a way to calculate it faster. It's not necessary to find out the correct value of 9 power 4 as a 6561 to get the last digit. That's the point I'm trying to convey. Now 9 power 5, that will be a huge number. To get the last digit, this one. Can you see 1 being the last digit of 9 power 4? That into 9. You can check it out. You will be getting some big number whose last digit will be 9. And if you go on like this, 9 power 6 will have last digit as 1. So I have written the first 6 powers of 9, and there is something you can observe here. See, the last digit keeps alternating between 9 and 1. Rather, there are only 2 distinct last digits when you power the number 9. So what does that indicate? See, if you look at this number, 9 power n, see, when the power is 1, 9. 1 is actually an odd number. When the power is 2, which is an even number, 1. Again, 3 is an odd number, 9. Look at even number, 1. Odd number, 9. Even number, 1. So this is what is the observation you are making. 9 power n will have last digit being 1 if n is odd. And 9 power n will have last digit as 9 if n is even. This is the second point to be considered while looking at the question given, which is finding the last digit of 19 power 19 power 19 power 19. Maybe you're getting some clue on how to find out the last digit. Anyway, let me complete it. So the first point I would like to mention here is last digit of 19 power 19 power 19 is the same as last digit of, say I'm ignoring 1 here in the base figure. 9 power 19, 19, 19. This is based on the first point I discussed in the beginning. Whatever number of digits you see to the left of 9 in the base figure may be discarded while finding the last digit. That is the meaning of what I have written here. Now, look at the power 9 power 19, 19, 19 3 times. So let me write that number again. 19, 19. Basically, I'm rewriting this number. Can you see? And what do you think this number is? Or rather, the meaning of this exponential number is, see, you're multiplying 19 by itself how many times? 19 power 19 times. That is the meaning of this, isn't it? And 19 power 19 is a huge number. Basically, you are multiplying 19, which is an odd number, by itself so many times. So when you multiply an odd number by itself, any number of times, you are going to get what kind of a number? Odd number or even number? That will be an odd number. Can you see this? Because 19 is odd. And odd number into itself, any number of times, will result in an odd number. So now the last digit of this point, let me rewrite again. Last digit of 19, 19, 19, 19. Like I wrote here, last digit of 9, 19, 19, 19. We know that this is last digit of 9. This number, I have shown that number to be an odd number. So it's an odd number. It's a big number, but we are not interested in finding what exactly it is. Whatever it is, that's going to be an odd number. So last digit of 9, power odd number. I have already shown that. See, take this case, 9. Odd number, 9. Odd number, 9. So what will be the last digit of this number? 9, because the power is an odd number. So what do you finally observe? Last digit of this huge number given to you is just 9. I told you you can solve this problem in just a few seconds. Isn't it true? The moment you see a number like this, we know that this is an odd number. And we know that last digit of this number is last digit of 9 power this number. And this is an odd number. And using this idea of powers of 9 resulting in last digit as 1 and 9, 1 is the case when power is even, 9 is the case when the power is odd. You can easily write the last digit as 9. This is what I meant. It won't take even 5 seconds provided you know a few basic concepts which I have discussed in the solution. If you're interested in finding problems of this kind, which are harder than the ones I have shown here, please raise your queries in the comment section. And if you found the solution useful, please like and subscribe to my channel and feel free to share it with others also. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.